This is hey guys, this is Dale from Dale's Workshop. My wife has commissioned me to build her. Well, she bought a brand new hair dryer, and with the hair dryer it came with, I don't know, about 4 or 5 attachments, I think. So now I've got to come up with a shelf that will hold these attachments and be convenient for her to get to. I'm making a floating shelf, and then I'm going to have it where these attachments can be stacked on there. And at the end, I'll have 2 little holes, one for the hair dryer to sit in and one for the hair curler to sit in. I'm using cherry wood. I had some molding that was cherry that was about, well, it was pretty wide. So I'm cutting the molding down to where I can have a board that's probably 3/8 thick. But I think it turned out pretty well. So anyway, just come along, you'll see what I'm talking about, and hope you enjoy the video. So what I'm trying to do now is 45 these ends so that when I fit them together, they'll be like so. Just a much neater looking joint. Okay, so this is going to be the length and width of the shelf. Now, it's going to be a floating shelf. It will be 1.5 inches thick. This will be the front part, and then there will be another board like this on the bottom. Close it in, just to give you an idea what it's going to look like. And then I've 45 all of these so that when I put these in, you see how much neater the corner will be, or the joint there will be. It'll be much nicer. So that's where I'm at. I think first I'm going to go up and get all of the stuff that's going to be put in here and add. I'm going to use dowel pins because some of it is long and wide, and then I'll cut some holes down here to put the hair dryer in itself. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do now. Go ahead and prepare this with the holes and everything so that I can go ahead and start gluing it up. Okay, so here's what we got. I went and cut, I think this is, I don't remember what size dowel this is. It's 1 inch, I think. Anyway, it just fits on the inside of this. So that's going to be perfect. I got 4 of them. So I've got them marked here where I'm going to place them. So that's how that will look. And then you'll be able to set each piece over the top of them. So I'm going to stain these, I think, and get them as close to this as I can. They won't be seen much, but I think she wants them as close as possible to the color of this wood. So I've got some red oak, and then I'll have some gun stock. That's all I have. So I'll see which one of those work best. That's where we are at this point. So I'll come back when I get a little bit further. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drill holes through here to attach these on the bottom with screws. Got a raise it up just a little bit. Perfect. Just that little bit of round over I wanted. Kind of make it easier for this part here to like slide over it. All right, so this is the color that's in the bathroom. This is from some of the same type of, I believe it's cherry. And so we've used this natural, whatever they originally had colored it, is that. So I put some red oak stain on there, and I think it's a pretty good match. So I put it on this one also. It matches pretty good. I'm gonna go with it. So this will be the stain we're using, red oak. I need to drill a starter hole in here. So this is what we'll use in order to find the center. And there we go. Okay, so this is where this is going to go now. I think this is 1.25 inches, so I'm going to go a little bigger than that so that that'll fit over it. So maybe 1.5 inches, and it'll fit somewhere up in here. So that's what we're going to do now. Well, apparently my mic went dead about here, but this is where I'm demonstrating how the hairdryer will fit into the hole. And then beyond this hole to the right, there will be another hole which will also fit a curling iron, I think. So right now I'm going to take a router and do an 1/8 inch route around the hole on both sides. Hey Archie. Come on in. Hey buddy. What's up? Come here. Nah, he's not interested. I think I will make these holes in here a little bit deeper. So these screws are pretty good size. And I don't want to risk having to replace them. Well, there you have it. The holes and everything. I think I got these lined up pretty good. Let's give it a preview of what it might look like. So everything seems to be working. All right, now what I got to do now is close it up and finish it. But I think we'll do that after lunch. Okay, so now we got to get these glued up. This is going to be the front. So I'm going to put this on here, glue it and the two ends on, which will be like so, something like that. So now let me get the glue ready so you get it, start getting it glued up. Okay, so now we got this, I got glue on both sides of the boards here. So now I'm going to try to get this to where it will line up really, really good, so we can get a good connection. Got a damp towel and I want to get as much of this glue off of here as possible. Well, we'll let that dry for a while and then we'll continue a little later. See you then. Well, now I've just glued the bottom on, so pretty soon we will have, once this dries, I'll sand it real good and stain it, put a finish on it, and get ready to mount it. Well, like I said before, we're going to use this Olympic wood stain. It's red oak oil base. So I believe this is going to give us the color that we're looking for. Let's hope. With this being oil-based stain, I might could get away without having to put a coat of shellac or something on it. But I'll let that be up to my wife. She can make that decision. Well, we'll give that a little time to dry, and then we'll check with Miss Vicky and see if she wants a finish on it. If not, I may just rub it down with another oil or something. We'll be back. She doesn't really want it shiny, so I'm thinking I'm just going to go with this Formsby tongue oil finish, and I think that will pretty much do what we want. Give us a tiny bit of shine. We get put a finish on it. Well, let me let it dry. Okay, I think we've probably gotten just about the right shine she wants. I put the tongue oil on there, and then I went back with this feed and wax wood polish. It's got just a slight sheen. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I think that's exactly what she wanted. So I'm going to let this dry and then come back and maybe buff it one more time. And then we're going to install this rascal. Must have been drying, so I'm going to wipe it down one more time. less and less of the stains coming off, so that's a good thing. In case you haven't seen how a floating shelf works, this part right here, I'll mount on the wall. Now, normally I would put a strip all the way through, but since I've got these right here, these holes, I need to keep them empty. So I'm going to put this down here. Or slide it in here, and then I'll put a couple of screws up here to hold it, and it'll be mounted. And you won't see any braces or anything because it's all inside. So that's going to be the next thing, is mounting it and putting it in service. Crap. At least it fits.
Okay.
Let's see if it's still open. And it is. We're good. They're both good and sturdy. And that's pretty much centered.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Try to get this behind this
Yeah.
thing here, and you won't see it. Actually, that one would hold it.
Yeah.
I could put one more in it if you want.
I
I
don't
don't think we'll need
think
it.
it's gonna come off, first of
Okay.
all.
All right, well, let's put it up. The dryer, the hair
Curling.
curler,
And then line up the attachments. Oh, it's not on my counter. That is fabulous.
and we got to figure out something for this one.
It
We
may.
may try to build something
That
here.
just may be exactly what you
For
do.
that,
I don't
so.
think Bill put one of these knobs there,
Yeah, I think that might work.
and it's there. It's off my counter.
Okay.
I love it. It's right near the plug-in,
Yeah.
and
Okay, well, guys, as you can see, she loves it. And so I just made some points. And
it just looks so nice.
so I hope you enjoyed the video, fellas. And I'm going to call it quits here. And
So good.
stay
She's
tuned
gonna
for the
put
next
another
one.
shelf up here.
Oh, yeah, well,
I
yeah,
want a
she wants
shelf to put products
another
on.
shelf up there. You can let me know in the comments if you think this one should be also a floating shelf. I think probably it should be. Maybe a more narrow
Yes.
floating shelf up there.
I just bring it out, add an attachment.
And then you can blow some hair then.
Yeah, there we go. And it'll be easy to get it out of my way. There we go.
There you
That's
go.
it. I'll get my cords out of the way. And,
Okay, so you're happy with it. I'm happy with
yep, looks great.
it. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Hey, guys. This is Dale from Old Dale's Workshop. What the hell? Old Dale's Workshop.